So today we're going to be doing some micro needling at home, and I have a kit here by the brand Deminuage. This is what it looks like. I will be including a discount code that they did provide for me. So this video is not sponsored, but they did send this to me to try. If you follow me on Instagram, I have put in the stories like me trying it like every other day, so we'll do a demo in this video as well. So I have tried micro needling before, but with a more aggressive device, okay, that I wouldn't really recommend you do at home unless it's with a professional, but this is a completely different story, and I'm going to show you how it works. If you would like to purchase this in a kit, you can do that. If you want to purchase like individual items, you can do that too. So let me show you the first thing that comes in this package. And this is the Deminuage Nano Pen Prime. They do have the Nano Pen Luxe. You can choose which one you like. This one, they do provide everything for you. So it comes with this here that you can put a battery. They do provide the battery for you. And you just close it back up really easy. You don't have to worry about a cord. Wherever you're comfortable in your house, you can do that. All you have to do is press here this button, and I'm going to show you how you use it. I just want to show you each of the products in this kit. Nano Pen Luxe is a bit more pricey. That one has, I believe, 2 or 3 settings. Like this is just one setting. These here, okay, these are daily nano chips, all right, and these are not harsh at all. It's incredible. I was so surprised when I used this. I was actually scared, I'm not gonna lie. I was scared to use this because I have done microneedling before, and it could look, or you can think, is really scary, you know, like you have to be a professional to get it done. Not with this, and that's why I have to share this with you. These are the chips that you get. That's what they call them, chips. You take it out of the packaging for one use only, so you throw it out after, you know, sanitary reasons. So this is what the chip looks like. Okay. That's what it looks like. And all you do is you just screw it here. All right, make sure your hands are clean. Of course, I just came out of the shower. My face is nice and clean. You don't want to do this like on top of makeup. Very easy. This one here is a bit more intense. This one is the booster nano chips. You see is a different color, okay? This one is a mint color. This one is a bit more intense. This one is recommended to use daily. It is so gentle. It's crazy. And this one is just 1 to 2 a week, and this is a deep boost, all right? So really good. You know, always try the sensitive one first, especially if you have sensitive skin. This here, which is the Deminuage Blank Brightening Serum. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use my creams, my serums, you know, you can do the same thing. I really like the ones they provide. So what you do is just break this off, attach this top here. After that, what you do is use these masks like a calming effect after you do this. Maybe you're a little red, so you want to put this. This is a soothing and rejuvenating repair mask. Combining rich, soothing ingredients, our repair mask helps moisture and brighten, leaving skin softer and more elastic. 6 masks, okay? I don't have all the 6, but I will show you. Here it is. We do have a discount code for you. I believe it's Jenz0101, and it'll give you 15% off. You don't ever have to use the codes I give you. If you don't want to use them, you don't. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one just so you guys can see the difference. I'm going to use this one on this side, and I'm going to use the booster on the other side. I have not used the booster yet, so here it is. We will do both of them. What I'm gonna do is just break it like this. Here you go. Take this. This is like, you can squeeze it. So you just cover this here, your serum, And I do a little bit at a time. I've tried my whole face. I've tried a little bit. I just like to work in sections. So right now you can see my face is looking alright. It is a little red. What I like about the serum is that is not oily. I don't know, I just thought like, oh my god, I'm gonna put oil in my face. I know it's not bad, but I have oily skin and I break out, so the idea of that was like freaking me out. But no, it's not oily at all. So I'm just gonna tap right here. I'll just do my cheek, okay? And yes, you will get a little red. What this device does, this helps the product absorb into the skin like 10 times more. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna press it, and this is the way I do it. So I start from here, and I just glide it. You do not feel it at all. I mean, with the other things that I've tried, it's insane. Like these crazy needles just pop out. This, no. I do it several times now around the eye. They do advise you to just tap, tap, tap. Okay? In the areas that are sensitive. So this is how I like to do it. Around the nose area, they advise you to tap as well. Or you can just go across. I've seen some people go like this. I don't really like to do it like that, but I just like to go to the side. I'm gonna put some on my forehead, and this is enough for my full face, and I even have extra, so should be enough for you too. So I'm just going across. As you see, I turn a little bit red, but I don't have like any bleeding or anything like that. I love being able to do these procedures at home because I know how much they would cost if I would go somewhere to get it. And if you run out of the serum or you choose to use your own, you can do that again. You don't have to use this daily. I don't really use it daily. I use it like every other day. Take it. Remember, you want to discard this. You don't want to keep it. Now I'm going to put my booster, which is recommended 1 to 2 times. Alright, here you go. I'm going to put my serum, my blank brightening serum on this side. And I still have enough there for my forehead. And let's see, this is going to be first impressions with this one. Feels a little bit, you know, like more intense, but not too much. Nothing like, oh my god, it's scary. But I like it. I mean, I like to feel it. I like to see the red. I just feel like I see it working. So you see my face is turning much more red on this side. Just so you know, it's nothing to get scared about, you know? Oh, I really like this. I have to do some other videos later, some makeup videos. But I'm sure the redness will calm down soon. This side. These things are just garbage. I'm almost gonna run out of my serum. That's why I like to alternate between the ones I have and this. What I want to do is take a soothing mask. I'm gonna leave this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. I'm telling you, the way your face is gonna feel after, it's incredible. You're gonna love it. It's like baby soft skin. So this is what the mask looks like. I will leave the link in the description. Also, I will write the discount code again for you to check out the site. So this is what the mask looks like. Okay, it's soaking in product. put it on the best I can. 10 to 15 minutes. This is gonna calm down all the redness that you may have. I'm gonna wash it off just with water. I just washed my face. Just put some water. And I'm just patting. And you see, face looks nice and fresh. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes if you're doing it like in the daytime to put on some makeup, but I like to do it in the nighttime or when I just come out of the shower. Yeah, I really like it. My face doesn't feel sore. It doesn't hurt. None of the products made my face like itchy or break out. Nothing like that. Just letting you know that's my results, okay? The longer you use these products, the more results you're gonna see. I've been using it like for 2 weeks, not every day, every other day, and I really liked how that booster nano chip felt. Like, it really felt like it was working. It was more intense, so definitely maybe just use it once a week. Your products to work better on your skin, then definitely give this a try. If you just want to buy the nano pen, you can. The nano pen alone is like $69. The other one that has the 3 settings, it's $100. 6 pairs of masks, which was the last step we did, has a value of $19.99. The serum is $29.99. And I'm just touching my face right now and it feels so nice and smooth. So just let the redness cool off just a little. There's no bleeding, nothing intense. So thank you so much, Deminuage, for letting me try this beautiful product. I love skincare and I love being able to do like a spa procedure at home. So thank you so much, guys. Please let me know if you do try this out. What do you think? Have you tried micro needling? All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check the description for more details. Bye.